right, guys, let's get them rolling. '44 car will be your leader. Scott Moore will be second.
Check.
Cody third. Travis fourth. Raymond fifth.
Check. 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 Check.
All right, guys. Oh. Hold up a sec there, Tony. Let's go ahead and go up and pass them. Check for something. All right, we'll go green next time. Bye. Scott, you're up to second.
Check. Check.
Get up there, guys. Here we go. Going green. All right, good start. Got the 44 and Cole Triple getting together there. Cody McAllen out to their lead. Scott Moore second. Raymond's up to third. Stay low in three. Low in three. Stay low in three. Clear.
Alright. Cody McAllen looking good out the 4 car. Lead all by himself right now. 2.5 seconds up early. 45 seconds in. Cody's been struggling in this last report. It looks like he's getting a handle on it.
Down the back straightaway. Alright guys, we're going to run this next street stock race, and we'll sprinkle the track before the late model. Right now orders Cody, Scott second, Travis the third, Raymond fourth, Tony experimenting. Cody is now 1 lap up on the field right now in the 4 car.
These street stocks having trouble getting a hold of the racetrack. All of them sliding sideways. Up next will be second heat. It's going to be Bob, Ronnie, Gary, and Larry. Backstretch, backstretch. Thank you, Bill. Hey, Ricky, you see my new wall? I put it up just for you. Had some little kid complaining you hit him last time we was here. Oh, the leader shuts down out of turn 4. Tough break. Cody was on a top qualifier time. Minute and a half left. He shuts off. Tony working the daylight donut car over. See here, that's going to put Raymond up into the top, or sorry, Scott's in the top spot. Raymond's second. See if Cody can probably hold on to about 4th here anyway. Come on, Stovall. Looks like Tony's starting to get a little bit of the hang of it now. Just past the leader, got one of his laps back. Oh. Good run right here for Scott. Andrew will be having to be man in this class, so you guys need to concentrate and get through it. One second.
The race is over. Please finish the lap you're on.
All right, everyone's done. Scott had 37 laps. Raymond had 36. Travis had 31.
I had turned the power away.
Tony got by Cody right there in the last lap.